In this video, I'll show you a few different ways to use the word yet. Yet can be used as a conjunction. It's similar to the conjunction but. And you can also use it as an adverb. You can use it as an adverb for verbs or for adjectives. Use yet as a conjunction when there's some sort of a contrast or a surprise. The cake is delicious, yet low in calories. This conjunction joins two adjectives, delicious and low. You could put and here, or but. I think yet is better because it emphasizes the contrast or the idea that this is kind of a surprise or something that's unexpected. The cake is delicious, yet low in calories.
Maybe that's good. It's a little lost.
Or you could say, it's healthy yet delicious. These two things are in contrast, and it would be a surprise if it, is something like kale, or perhaps if it's broccoli, which not everyone likes, but it is healthy. And some people do believe it's delicious depending on how it's prepared. You can use yet as a conjunction. She lost the race, comma, and then here is the conjunction, yet. Yet is similar to but. It's also similar to nevertheless. She lost the race, yet she's determined to compete again. There is a bit of a contrast between these two clauses. Here's the first clause, and then here's the second clause in a compound sentence. So this does show a bit of a contrast. You could use but. She lost the race, but she's determined to compete again, and that has about the same meaning. If you choose nevertheless, the punctuation changes a little bit. If you choose this, then you'd say she lost the race, and then there would be a semicolon, and here you would put the word nevertheless, and then a comma. She's determined to compete again. Yet is a good alternative to but if you want to say something other than but when you need this type of a conjunction for some type of a difference. Their homes are destroyed, yet they are grateful to be alive. Here's a compound sentence with yet between the two independent clauses. Here's a subject, and then here's a verb. Here's an adjective, and then here is a subject, verb, and adjective. This shows a contrast and perhaps a surprise, but at the very least, this is a contrast. If their homes are destroyed, then you might not expect this, that they are grateful. But if they are alive, then it makes sense. They are grateful. You can use yet to mean up to now. In these sentences, yet is an adverb, and it appears at the end of the sentence. He didn't leave yet. This is in the past tense. Or you could use the present perfect and say, he hasn't left yet. I'm not ready yet. This is in the present tense, and yet modifies ready. Or this isn't ready yet. Any particular thing, it could be food or a car or an order of some sort. If it's not ready, then it's not available. Up to now, up to the present time. When yet is an adverb, sometimes it means that there's more or still something remaining. And in these examples, you will see yet and then an infinitive. There's more yet to do. We have yet to see the results. And there's time yet to finish our work. So this helps to emphasize the idea that there's just more. More yet to do, have yet to see. That's similar to still. This is similar to we still have to see the results. And there's time yet to finish our work. This is similar to we still have time to finish our work. Or there's time yet to finish our work. This is not an easy word to use in this kind of a sentence. You can use yet when expressing frustration. You are upset with some situation that continues. This is yet another problem. Yet another. These two words are often used together. Or it happened yet again. These two words are often used together. Or you can just say yet again, and then that would be a question. Or to use an exclamation, yet again. This seems to express frustration, a person's upset, something has happened again and again, yet again. Finally, yet is often used with time or with some completion of an activity. Are we there yet? And the answer, no, not yet. We use these two together. You don't have to say no, you could just say not yet. Has the game begun? No, not yet. Or just not yet. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You could also consider becoming a member of the channel. That really helps me to do the work that I do here on YouTube.